ultimate goal is to replicate what I've done here. Like, first 100 times. I want to acquire 100 acres. But I don't want to be the only owner anymore. This is going to have to be done with 100 people. I believe that one person can easily transform their 1 acre into all the food that they're going to need to feed themselves and their families. Especially if you do it out here in the tropics, like I have, right? This is going to happen if we're going to save the planet from mass starvation, deforestation, poverty, all the problems that come when people don't have land and they don't have a place where they can grow food, build their shelters, have their water, their safety in numbers. So what I want to create, and this is my model of what we can do, is an International Federation of Ecovillages. This is going to be like a franchise. The International Federation of Ecovillages is going to own the land and set the rules, and then the federation is going to be selling shares, like a membership, right? You'll be given 1 acre of land to build a homestead, a sustainable one, where you're going to be allowed to have your shelter, your eco shelters, your sustainable shelters, be able to have your water, collect your water, like we do here. Have safety, because you'll have 100 people. But the great thing is that all the people who are going to be part of this federation of ecovillages, they're going to own it. They're going to own it. You'll be owners. You'll own the acre, and we're going to set aside 10% of all the land that we're going to acquire. In this case, it'll be 110 acres. 10 acres will be set aside right in the center. These are going to be the community land that all the members of the federation are going to own together too. 1%. You get 1 acre, and you get 1% of the common lands, and it's shared equally amongst all the members. In this case, 100 members. That's my goal. That's my greater vision. I already outgrew Cinderland. Look around. There's no place left besides shaded areas where you can grow a few things like coffee and cacao, which we are. But everywhere, everything, all the land is filled up with camps, people, food. This place is done. I've already outgrown it. I've already have modeled what one person can do on 3 acres. Now it's time to reforest the planet. The intention of the ecovillages is to buy land that's been deforested. For example, land that's been mined, land that's been clear cut, land that's been abused by chemical agriculture or big ag. That means land that's been burnt, because they do a lot of that in South America, for example, right? We want to get land that man has basically destroyed. Land that has been completely wrecked. And we want to, the Federation will be buying these big chunks of land. Actually, they're not expensive. They're usually in rural areas.